Tell me when you're ready. Okay. My name's Jim Van Hecke. I'm in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. My company, Dash, is a software developer specializing in document management software for small and mid-sized manufacturing and distribution companies. Dale came into our Vistage group today and gave a great talk. And there's a number of takeaways that I think can help us immediately. One was the productivity period, or productivity pyramid, gives some clarity to how we should be constructing ourselves and focusing on things. He also talked about the characteristics of being a good coach, and that's super timely. It hits on some things that we're going to have to deal with and start to deal with over the next few weeks. I've got a young guy who's about to embark on his first supervisory position, and this gives, again, some clarity to help us figure out what to do and how to do it. And lastly, part of what we do is product support for our customers. So the discussion about being a proactive customer service organization, I think, is going to help us immensely when it comes to really focusing in on the needs of our customers and marrying those things up with our conversations top to bottom and side to side in the company. So very cool. I recommend it.